what we need to do to make this marathon a relay race that's going to last and last and last.
The basic assumption right now is that we're in for the long term and we need to be able to breathe. And when we need to be able to breathe is both to have an economy to rebuild ourselves and to face the different threats. Mm-hmm. We don't want to face all of the threats at the same time. Mm-hmm. So we're facing Hamas. That's a stage one. Mm-hmm. Rebuilding communities. That's part of it. Mm-hmm. The second thing is breathing in. You're rebuilding the communities and doing Hamas is addressing the Hezbollah problem and trying to rebuild the communities up north. So that's a second stage. Mm-hmm. The international community come in different ways. One, in not viewing Hamas and Hezbollah as an Israeli problem. They are a world problem. And for the pro-Israel Jewish and supportive communities, it's about not seeing this as something that you can resolve in one action by rebuilding a community. This is long-term. We need to have both resilience and economy. It's reconstructing communities and it's rebuilding our own sense of security, which was heavily hurt on October 7th. So it's going to be stage after stage of addressing that and constantly realizing that Iran is there pulling strings and that it shouldn't be about Israel against Hamas, against Hezbollah, against Iran. It should be the world against Hamas terror, Hezbollah terror, and Iran absolute terror.
Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you.